Learning to do this trade will require you to come in on Saturday. Bill Lumberg would love you to do that. I'm going to need you to come in on Saturday. Here are some advanced rules. Fridays versus Mondays. Mondays typically have a compacted R3, S3 in a tighter zone on Mondays. So you're going to get more trades on Mondays than you are on Fridays. Overmanaging the trade by watching the 5-minute chart is probably not your best idea in the whole world. I have typically begun to have a greater sense of comfort with just letting this go all the way to its 9th trade. So 9 is this number where I got to start, shutting those down if I'm in front of the computer. 7, if you're new to this strategy and you get 7 trades that open, start closing your trades that are profitable. Start dumping those trades that are profitable. Take the profit on the profitable ones, take the profit there, and don't leave yourself with 7, 8, 9, or 10 trades open that could go against you. That's a typical rule. But the better you get at this and the more experienced you become at learning what this looks like, the more likely you'll be to wait until trade number 9 to do that kind of thing. Double stacking, if there's more than 50 pips of room to stack multiple stacks of trades, you might experiment with that. And restacking after a loss. If it stops you out, I typically stack the whole stack of trades all over again from the very beginning. So do something now. I only have a few more minutes for this part of the presentation. Do something. Get Forex Tester and test the strategy. Trade it live with one micro lot. Teach it to a friend. Write a book about it. I don't care. Write a book and say it was yours. I don't give a darn. Whatever you want to do. Blog about it. Think deeply about it. Get a puppy. Waste more time. Go to more expos. Eat some donuts. I don't care. But do something. Don't go home and just ignore everything. Think about some of this and see where it fits in with some of what you're experimenting with and some of what you're trading. If you do nothing, this is what you can end up. This is, your goal. Once again, I want to say that this is not the Holy Grail. This works for me. I'm going to show you my live account. We're going to talk about that in a moment. This works for me, but it's not the Holy Grail. This is not the only way to do it. This is not even the best way to do it. So I want to make sure you understand that this isn't the Holy Grail. That doubters are welcome. It's okay for you to say, I don't like the way that you did whatever. It's fine. But just back it up with some research and back it up with something else.